Right, so today the first thing I'm going to put in this car is a new set of foot mats. Yeah, when I got the car it didn't come in any foot mats, so went online, got these I think from Mats For You or Car Mats For You. I'll put a link in the description below. These are a 900 gram carpet. It's, I think the class is luxury. They're not the highest ones, but they're not the basics. So they're a bit thicker. I've opted not for a heel pad on the drivers, so that's the drivers, passengers, and two rear. First thing you want to do before you put any new mats in is, give them some protection. So either Scotch Guard or something such as, this C-Quartz fabric repellent. Basically, to stop waters and stain getting into the mats. So the water should, instead of soaking in, sit on top first and get time to damp it. So yeah, first thing to do is spread these out and get a nice coating of this. Yep, so once they've all been coated in your Scotch Guard or whatever fabric protection you're going to be using, leave them to sit as long as possible, ideally in a warm place, overnight if you can, or just for a few hours before putting them in. That'll just let the product do its magic, form that barrier, and hopefully prevent water and spills soaking straight in and give you a bit of time to clean them up and look after those mats if you need to. Right, so once you've left your mats to settle, or left the product settle, you just need to give the car a quick move it.